Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. Please make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you get notified when I release new tutorials. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do these simple, easy amigurumi cheeks. I have not put any on this little guy. I think it would definitely make him pop out a little bit more if I did. So I went ahead and started a new one, and in today's video I'm just going to simply show you my method for making these small little cheeks. So let's go ahead and take a look at the materials. You'll need whatever amigurumi project you are working on. You will also need just some pink yarn, whatever you're going to be using for your cheeks, and a tapestry needle. So go ahead and grab those and then meet me back at this video. Okay guys, so once you have your items, we are going to start sewing. So I would have liked to have a little bit more space for the face to make the cheeks here. But what I'm going to do before we actually start this is I'm going to grab a piece of paper and pen and show you exactly how I do this so it does not get confusing, because I do not want to be this confusing for you guys. So let me go ahead and grab that. Okay guys, so I went ahead and drew this little simple diagram. So this is going to count as 2 stitches and then the bottom row of stitches. So we are going to pick out a little square basically of 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So this is where we are going to be working our cheeks. So coming in from the back to the front, we want to start in the box 1 that we picked. Okay, so this is 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we're going to come from the inside out. We want to make sure we leave a little bit of a tail. Okay, so box 1, box 2, box 3, and box 4. So these are our stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Now we're going to go from our first box, number 1, to number 4, because we're going to crisscross, okay? And then we'll go 2 to 3. So from box 1 to box 4, if you need to count, 1, 2, 3, 4, we're going to go in, okay? So bring your needle in. I'll get a little bit closer, okay, guys? So here's 1, 2, 3, and 4, okay? Now, coming from the inside out, we want to pop our needle through stitch number 3, right here. So, or excuse me, 2, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So we want to bring our needle out, coming from box number 2. Okay, so we're going to pull that out. And now we want to go back into 3. So we're crisscrossing over what we already made. So if you need to count, 1, 2, 3. So we're going to go into box 3. And then, as you guys see, we just have that little cute crisscross cheek pattern. Now, if you want to make it a little bit thicker, you can do it again. You want to go from box 1 to box 4, and then 2 to 3. Or you can go stitch 1 to stitch 4, stitch 2 to stitch 3. So I can do that again. I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. I hope this is making sense. I'm trying to make this the most easiest way to understand how to make cheeks in amigurumi, because I know that as we get through these rows, it can get very confusing on where to actually place our stitches. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go ahead and pick out 4 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, going in from from stitch 1, which I picked out to be right here. Okay, so let's count our stitches again. 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go into the 4th stitch, because remember, we're crisscrossing. Just like that. All right. So now we want to go from stitch 2 to stitch 3 in that little box that we made, okay? So if you need to count, 1, 2, 3, 4. Remember, we are always going from the opposite way, so we are going back out. So we're going to go out from stitch 2. You want to go crisscross applesauce over to stitch 3. So 1, 2, here's stitch 3. Just like that. And if you wanted to make it thicker, then you would just do it again. You would go from box 1. And make sure that your tail's not going to get mixed up. Box 1 to box 4. 1 to 4. Just like that. And then from 2 to 3. So 2, 1, 2. Here's our second stitch. Oops. Okay. And then crisscross applesauce over to stitch 3. 1, 2, and here's 3. And then you have your little crisscross cheeks. And then at that point, you would just go ahead and tie this off. When you go over double, you just kind of got to make it look a little nice. You want to make sure that you're doing your stitches tight right here. That stitch is a little loose. We'll go in and tighten it up. There we go. And then there you go, guys. You have your little cheeks. As you see on this one, I used a much thinner yarn, but you just do your little crisscross applesauce. Just pick 4 boxes, 4 stitches, make a little square on the face. So then on this side, I would pick 1, 2. You want to line it up. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you would just do it again across these 4 stitches. I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. I hope that wasn't too confusing. Please leave me a comment in the description down below. Let me know if this made sense. If not, I can go ahead and try and make a new video on how to do cheeks that might make a little bit more sense to you. So just leave me some feedback in the comment down below. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I'll see you all next time.